Hey Tyson, this is Greg over here with Boardwalk Motors in Auburn, Washington. Hey, I'm just gonna shoot this walk around video for the Infinity QX for you. Hopefully this provides you with the information you're looking for to make sure that this is the right one for you. I'm gonna do the exterior, walk around the complete exterior of the vehicle. I'll also show you the complete interior, as well as the cargo bay and engine compartment. Hey, thanks again. Okay, so here is the front. I always start with this walk around on the front passenger bumper, just so you can see everything. I'm gonna get up kind of close here. So here's the headlights, front bumper. There's one little scratch there on the paint, but it looks like it's been touched up. It has the front camera, of course, parking sensors, fog lights. Moving on to the paint of the hood. All in really nice shape, great condition. Coming down to the front passenger side fender. You have one little small chip there. Tires are in great condition. So are the wheels. And then driver door, driver side. It's nice that this one has running boards. One thing I also noticed is that on the mirrors as well, it looks like they have the cameras. As you can see, the little fisheye lens down below. They are the power folding mirrors. So no door dings, no nothing abnormal about the paint on the body. Rear tires, again, your good tire tread on there. Wheels are in great shape. Rear corner, rear bumper, and hatch. So up close on the bumper, no scratching, no chips. Rear parking sensors. And then walking around to the passenger side here. Rear passenger side tire. Matches all the rest. Wheels also in great shape. There is this, looks like it's been touched up just a bit there. But other than that, that's really about it there. And here's another little area right there as well. And then front tire and wheel. Alright, so here's the engine compartment. I have fired the car's been running. It's warming up. It was kind of cold here, but this will give you the idea of how clean the engine is and how it sounds. Nothing sounds abnormal or out of place. Everything sounds the way it should. And I'll just go ahead and put this down there so you can hear it. The liner of the hood is all excellent condition. No tears, no rips. It's a really clean engine compartment. So here's the rear cargo bay. Of course, it's a rear power hatch. Everything works properly. There is one little tear right there in the back of the third row seat. Does have the, looks like it would probably be the first aid kit. The seats do fold down the way they should, all power folding seats. All in all, this SUV is just in great condition for being 10 years old. As you see, the plastic or the polymers on the side, there's hardly any wear and tear on it, just a little bit right here, but gosh, just like the paint of the body, it's nothing that's going to stop anybody from wanting to own it. And so you saw how they went down. Now I'm going to show you how they go back up. And they also, looks like they recline pretty far back as well. Have your rear mat here, and then underneath is your storage bin. So you have your little, it looks like a cargo net in the back there. Tie down points, you have them here up front. This is a child's seat anchor right here for the third row seat. The anchors of the third row. And you have your little cap there as well. Do have a power port in the back. 12-volt power outlet. Okay, so this is the rear passenger door panel. I always like showing the door panels for the starting of the interior, and I always start with the passenger rear, and then I'll walk around. I'll do the front passenger. But what's important to me, or what I have noticed over the years of being in the automotive industry, is that if you see a lot of kicking down below, a lot of scuff marks or broken speakers, it's a good indicator of how the car's been taken care of. This is free of any damage on the door panels. The leather on the armrest looks like it's in great shape. No watch marks, or sometimes people wear those chunky watches or bracelets. It can make indentations on the leather or cut into the leather. This is all just in wonderful condition. Window switches work properly the way they should. And then moving into the rear seat here, it is the perforated leather seats. They're all in just tremendous condition, great shape. No rips, no tears, no cuts. Everything the way you would expect it. Perforated seating. The pockets aren't worn down or pulled apart or ripped. It does have the rear headrest DVDs on both sides, right behind the passenger and driver headrests. You do have your center console in the middle. This opens up, and then inside is your wireless headphones. Has the rear air controls, rear heated seats, and then down below is your RCA outlets with your 12-volt power outlet, and then the actual plug-in in case the kids back there are hooking up an Xbox, or they're hooking up a video game console or a DVD player, a digital DVD player. The third row seat is also in great shape. As you know, the headrest can slide up and down. Leather's wonderful. No rips, no tears, no kick marks on the side of the plastic on both sides. They're both just in in great shape. And then one thing I also like here is you have switches to where you can lay those seats down instead of having to open up the cargo bay or the rear hatch, and they all work properly. The headliner is in tremendous shape. It's terrific. There's no stains, no rips. It's not hanging down. It's nothing abnormal. Now there is on the rear back of the second row seat on the passenger side, there is a little wear and tear there, as you can see, but you know, from people sitting in the third row. That's really about it. All right, so this is the passenger side front door panel. As you can see, just like the rear door panel, rear passenger door panel, it's also in just great shape. No kick marks, no scuff marks. The leather of the armrest is in wonderful condition. Really love the way the contrast looks on that wood grain. The window switches all work properly. The dash is in great shape. The windshield is free of chips or cracks. Have the owner's manuals in there. And then of course this all has the floor liner system in it. Rear power seats, or excuse me, passenger power seats. Leather of the seating is all in great shape. Center console. A remote for the rear DVD players. So this is the rear passenger driver's side door panel. Just like the other door panels, just in great shape. No kick marks, no scuff marks. The leather on the armrest is wonderful. The window switches, they work too, just like they should. And then of course, this is the rear of the driver's seat with your DVD player. Here's the leather for the rear passenger second row seating on the driver's side. Now this seat looks like it may have had a car seat in it. There's a little indentation there and there as well from strapping a car seat in, but it's not broken through the leather. It just looks like it's just inset a little bit. Folding this seat down just like the other seat. This one is in good shape too. There is this little kick mark there that is broken through the upholstery. But other than that, the carpets look clean. So this is the front driver door panel. All in great shape. Leather's great on the armrest. All your switches work. You also have memory seats here as well. This is your mirror adjustments, power folding mirrors. And then you can turn the power to the rear hatch on and off. Rear power hatch. And this must be for your parking sensors. Looks like this would be your trip calculators here. And then your steering wheel and steering wheel controls. The leather on the driver's seat is not worn down. As you can see, the bolster is all in great shape. This right here, the driver's seat and this lower bolster area right here, this is the first area where we see a ton of wear and tear on vehicles. This one looks like it's been great. Of course, the running boards, the step boards, help out a lot with that and protecting the leather, because being it is higher off the ground, they step on the running boards to hop in versus, you know, trying to hop in and sliding across the leather seating. But everything looks like it's just in great shape. Power adjustments for the steering wheels, tilt and telescoping. And then inside here is your instrument cluster. Shut the door so you can see the multi-information display. Now the little hazard light is on because we are just about bone dry on fuel, but there's no check engine lights, maintenance required lights, anything. Everything looks like it's in the way it should be. Here's your adjustment for your four-wheel drive system. And then all your controls down below: heated steering wheel, power ports, heated and ventilated seats, your stereo system, and then your buttons for your navigation and your map system. Has the auto dimming mirror, and then your stereo control, or excuse me, sunroof controls and door lights. Visor, passenger visor, well, Tyson, that was the walk around for the 2012 Infinity QX56. It is in great shape for being a 10-year-old vehicle, and I would really hope that we would be able to earn your business with this SUV. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text message, or just reply to the email and let me know what you think of the video and how you'd like to proceed forward. Thanks again. We'll talk to you soon.